Hey guys, what's up and once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are gonna see the review for the product zero budget commissions. So in this video we are basically gonna see two things. One, it's my bonus page. It's my unique bonus page where you will not get this bonus page anywhere. You can only get this with me. Okay, and also we'll just learn about this product zero budget commissions, and then after seeing till the end of this video, you can purchase this zero budget commissions by the link I have given in the description box below. So if you click the link in the description box below, you'll get a page like this, which is my bonus page. So first let's just look into my bonus page, how it will look like, and let's understand more about it. So first, I have just given like in 3 lines what is zero budget commission, but you can't get the full detail. I know that, and I don't want to make it a lot more bigger and clumsy. So that if you want to know more about that, you can just click any of these buttons. You can also click buy it now, so that it will take you to the sales page, so that you can just view how it will look like, and then you can just purchase this, and then the price increases every 6 hours. Okay, sorry, no, if the price increases every 60 minutes. So if you even if you miss 1 hour, then your price will get increased. If you don't want that, just purchase it right now immediately after watching this video. So I will just give you all the information about zero budget commissions. So let's just start through my bonus page. So yeah, I said that you can get some information, and then these are the prices and options. The funnel. So the front end price is $17. The auto one is $29. The auto two is $67. The auto three is $47. The auto four is $97, and then $147. When it comes to the auto six, you can get many features, you can get many advantages. Okay, so that's why your price is also 147. But if you just buy before the offer ends, which is today's August 27th. Okay, if you buy it on August 28th, okay, so this is gonna launch on August 28th 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so you can just purchase all that. So if you want to check it for in Indian Standard Time or IST, we can just search it. August 28th. Okay, so Eastern Standard Time to IST. So yeah, you can just open any of these EST to IST converter, and then you can see the timings. Okay, so it's on August 28th. Okay, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and IST it's 7:30 p.m. Okay, so don't forget to just purchase it before that. Okay, so if you miss this chance, you can't get this. Okay, so it will cost you more and you can't just purchase it. And then comes my bonuses, which are so great. Okay, so the bonus number one is free traffic software. You will get this with zero budget commissions, which is worth of $2,000, but you are getting it for free if you buy it before 28th. Or you can just get this for $17. Okay, and then bonus number two is bonus products, which is value worth of $1,000. You can just get it for $17 front end price. And then bonus number three is guaranteed affiliate approval. Value is priceless. And then exclusive live web streams, which is also priceless. You're getting everything just for like say $20 to $200 between this alone. So yeah, so these are my affiliate marketing section. So I just created this section because this affiliate marketing is being popular nowadays, and more people are interested in doing affiliate marketing. In that case, even I am an affiliate marketer, and I am also doing review videos, and I am earning some amount of money. So even if you want to do that as your part-time job or an hobby job, so you can just start doing affiliate marketing like me. I am also earning something. So even if you want to earn doing just some job, okay, you can just start doing this affiliate marketing. And if you want to start, you should come one by one, okay, step by step. So the first is the affiliate marketing blueprint, and then comes the art and business of affiliate marketing, and then the 7 most common mistakes made in affiliate marketing. So these three you can get, if you get it before tomorrow 7:30 a.m. you can just get everything for free. Actually, I'm not gonna give you for tomorrow because time is not enough. So I can just keep it till the month end. If you purchase it before August 30, we'll keep August 30. So if you purchase before that, you can get these books for free, whatever you want. Okay. Else, if you want, if you purchase them after that time, you will have to pay some amount of money. Like, you will have to pay for affiliate marketing blueprint. It's $5. The art and business of affiliate marketing, it's $10. And the 7 most common mistakes, which is so important for an affiliate marketer to grow, which costs you $15. So just don't forget, you can get it free if you purchase before August 30. And then you can also see for this, zero budget commission is 30-day money back guarantee. You can read all these in my bonus pages. Okay, so now let's just look through the sales page and understand what exactly is zero budget commissions. So this way, new method makes me daily commissions with zero budget. Easy to start, set up, and 100% newbie friendly. If you are a new person, then this is for you. And also simple, this is so simple and easy use. New proven methods. Start with any budget. No website building, no monthly expenses, free traffic sources, and just one-time payment. Okay. So yeah, I have seen this a million times. Promises of instant riches and free traffic. But newbies are promised profit with free traffic. In the end, they usually get either a broken system or hidden expenses like expensive page builders or autoresponders. The truth is, if you're new, it takes time to build your skill and you should really start. Like me, affiliate marketing is new for me. I have worked on it and then now I am good. I am just going okay with affiliate marketing. So if you just practice it a lot of times, it will come. So the truth is, if you're new to it, it takes time to build your skill, and you should really start on a low budget. And I have used a zero budget way to get results, which are really awesome. Okay, so even if you want to get those types of results, don't forget to just purchase this. Okay, you can just see everything. Hello to all newbie marketers, what's going on? So yeah, you can just read everything. Okay, so now we'll just learn in depth about what is zero budget commissions. So yeah, zero budget commissions, as they have said before, you can monetize one traffic source. Okay, so it means that you can just earn many money within one monetizing source on multiple levels. Get paid for sales, leads, and clicks. Even if they click you, if you want to get some money, okay, so this will like help you. You only need 20 minutes a day to do this. Okay, so yeah, this is very great. So we'll just learn much more through the sales page. Okay, the results are in. I fine tuned my traffic machine and built multiple lists on different platforms using free traffic. I then automated my entire system. Then I scaled up using free and paid traffic, which totally to around 5 cents per click, which is so great. 5 cents per click. It means that if you get some 100 clicks, then you're earning 500 cents. 500 cents means, I think it's $5. Yeah, $5 you're earning per 100 clicks. It's so great. Okay, for some it may be what, just $5. I want more money, but for beginners this is a lot of money because they are getting started. And then if they're earning $5, even if they get 100 clicks per day, they're earning $5 a day, which is so great to them. Okay, so yeah, the advantages comes like it's newbie friendly, as we discussed, and completely new free traffic system. You can get free traffic and organic traffic, and no Google or Facebook ads needed. So guys, in Google, if you see per click, they will ask you some amount of money, but here no that and all. You don't want to do Google ads or Facebook ads. You can just get free and organic traffic. Only 20 minutes per day, you can earn tons and tons of money and can be scaled up and automated. Can start with free tools and scale up later. As you have probably noticed already in my case studies, this method is nothing less than phenomenal. So yeah, so this is so great, and I hope you just understood some basic things about this. If you want to know more about that, as you can see here, they have given some testimonial. Okay, so you can also just view that. And for demo video, guys, I'll just give the demo video link in the description box below so that you can understand what all things are there. Okay, and also inside zero budget commissions, you get everything you need to make money right now: the traffic system, the training, the tools. You can also get some free webinars, which are training courses. Okay, and not much money for all these, just a little bit of money. Okay, so as I have said you about the bonuses. Okay, so yeah, we are bonus number one is free traffic software. So they're giving you free access to their premium traffic software, which will help you get hordes of traffic at zero cost. In addition, you will also get access to their unlimited free traffic system. You can convert, sometimes they will also give like you can convert their traffic into your traffic. Okay, yeah, so the price increases every 60 minutes. So just go and purchase this. Even if you're not okay with this, you can just get your money back guarantee. As I said, you 30 days money back guarantee. So there are even some frequently asked questions. Okay, so the first question is, how much money can I make with zero budget commissions? So yeah, a lot. You can convert, you can make a lot of money inside. They'll show you how to scale up 1,000 plus per week and then scale it up as big as you want. Is zero budget commissions really totally different than anything I have ever seen, like you say, Ryan? Yeah, yes, we are confident you have never seen anything like this ever. This is the first time in market, and I don't know why you're still waiting. Okay? Yeah, so I just said many points about this. Okay, I hope you just understood. Okay, yeah, there are many more things you can just check in the sales page. Okay, as you can see these and all. Okay, so you can just read many points about this zero budget commissions. So if you have find this video worth, okay, just go and purchase this immediately. I'm gonna purchase this within today. So I even want you to purchase this and increase your business. I am finding my ways to increase my business, and what all I am doing is all worth. Okay, even if you want all that, just go and purchase this immediately, because even I'm gonna purchase. So yeah, the price increases, remember the price increases, so go and purchase immediately. And now I'm just ending the video with here, guys. Thank you and bye.